Keeping birds is an enjoyable and challenging activity that requires careful attention and care. Here are some important tips about keeping birds. 1. Choosing the type of bird before you begin. You need to determine the type of bird you want to keep. Some popular birds include budgerigar, a small and social bird that needs little space. Cockatoo, a larger bird with high communication needs. Popo lovebird, a small and sensitive bird that needs companionship. 2. Cage and living environment. Cage size. The cage should be big enough for the bird to fly. For larger birds, a larger cage is needed. Installing accessories. Place accessories such as fly sticks, litter boxes, and toys to entertain the bird in the cage. Cleanliness. The cage should be cleaned regularly. Garbage and waste materials must be collected quickly. 3. Nutrition. Varied food. Birds need a varied diet including seeds, fruits, vegetables, and food supplements. Fresh water. The water should always be fresh and clean. Change the water daily. Avoiding harmful foods. Avoid giving birds foods such as chocolate, caffeine, and onions. 4. Health and health. Regular checkups. Regular checkups by a bird specialist veterinarian can help identify health problems. Symptoms of illness. Symptoms such as changes in behavior, not eating or jumping, need immediate attention. 5. Socialization and communication. Communication with the bird. Birds need strong communication with humans. Spend time sitting with the bird and talking to it. Training. Most birds are trainable, and learning new tricks can help strengthen relationships. 6. Light and temperature. Natural light. Birds need sunlight. It is important to create natural light in their environment through windows or using special lamps for birds. Temperature. The suitable temperature for birds should be in the range of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and extreme temperature changes should be avoided. 7. Security. Safe environment. Make sure the cage is in a safe place and away from dangers. Also keep away from other pets. Covering windows and seams. If you take the bird out of the cage, be careful not to let the bird escape. 8. Activity and entertainment. Fun toys. Birds need toys for fun and to pass the time. It is helpful to choose toys that they can chew and play with. Flight and exercise. Let the bird fly in a safe environment to release its energy. By following these tips, you can take good care of your bird and provide him with a happy life. Each bird has its own needs, so always pay close attention to its behavior and symptoms.